Okay, so that's a rim.
So this is a split rim that's off a 26 Dodge. It's over there. And this isn't like the split rims we're thinking of, like the semis and stuff, where just the edge of the wheel come off. This is where it's true split right here in the center. And there's no way to get this tire off the wheel. So what you gotta do is you gotta get what they call a wheel jack. And it clips on there, there, and there. And then when you crank it, what it'll do, if you watch this piece right here, it'll start to pull down one part of it. You can see it pops it, and you keep pulling it down till it pops out, and then you can tire the wheel off.
Oh,
but this
wow.
is called a rim jack.
So to get the spokes out, you just loosen up all the nuts.
Yeah, you just unbolt it and the spokes. This slides over the band that's on the tire. You can kind of see the band on the back of the Dodge over there. See that round band?
Yeah.
Because this was the spare. But yeah, the spokes and everything would stay on the car. And then this just slides off. And then you got to use your wheel jack, rim jack, to break the bead.
Are those considered dangerous?
Nah,
I would feel like that would be so much an easier way to
would
change
be.
a tire.
I mean, it's a lot to get it. The problem is getting them to pop back once you put the new tire on. It can be, a lot of people use a porta power, and they put a porta power in here, and then push this bead back up. But it's actually not too bad. It isn't like the split rim, this split side rim that we're thinking of from the 60s, 50s, 60s, and 70s on the big truck. But it's not unsafe,
Yeah.